Hey guys, so today we are gonna cook some tuna carbonara with pasta. Okay, so first let's do the mushrooms. Let's cut the mushrooms small pieces. All right. Okay, I think that's enough. Put in our plate. Set this one aside. And then we're gonna cut our onions. Put that on the side here. So next we are gonna cut bacon in small pieces. Alright, you could put as much as you want, but I love bacon. That's why I put a lot of bacon. Alright, goes all our bacon. Alright, so we got our water here. It's getting ready to boil. Alright, so what I do is I put some cooking oil, and then we'll put a little bit of salt. So this is for our pasta, guys. So you can see it's almost boiling. So I'll just drop it in there. It's all falling apart. There you go. And we'll check on it in a little while. Okay guys, so we are gonna cook the bacon. Alright. Okay guys, so the bacon is crispy and cooked. So we are gonna add our onions and mushrooms. So you don't need extra oil because the fat of the bacon already has a lot of oil. And our pasta is cooking right there. should be ready. Okay guys, so next we have our tuna. Let's put it all in. All right. So next guys is cream. We'll put a whole can of cream. There we go. And just a little bit of water. Then I'll mix it all up. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic salt. Then we're gonna put some black pepper. Let's mix that. Alright. So let's taste it. Alright guys, that's ready. So let's put some pasta. Oops. Man. A little bit more. Do more. This one come off. And then we are gonna put our tuna carbonara. And spread it there. We are gonna put some Parmesan cheese on top. Okay. Alright guys, so there you go. Tuna carbonara. Pretty amazing. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.